Hi, it's Dr. Ella Pantazis here, and as promised, this video is going to give you some starter exercises that you can do at home. This particular episode is going to focus on hip and trunk flexor muscles, as well as the muscles of your lower extremities or of your legs. Those are two huge groups that contribute to lower back pain. I would classify these exercises that we're going to do on this video to be in the beginner scale of exercises, which means that they should be safe to do even if you're having some lower back pain now in this moment. Of course, if any exercise causes increased pain, you're going to stop and you're going to have a conversation with either me or your healthcare practitioner. I like this particular set of exercises also just as a daily routine for anybody who has a long commute to work or has a sit-down job. In our office, patients are used to me referring to exercises as their homework. So pay attention. We're going to go through and demonstrate your homework for today. Alrighty, so the first exercise we're going to do, we're going to have you lying in bed. Get yourself into a comfortable position, a small pillow behind your neck. You're going to orient yourself right near the edge of the bed. And what you're going to do is you're going to take that inside leg, you're going to hold it knee to chest like this. If you have any problem with this, either because your muscles are very tight or because you have bad knees, alternative positions would be to hold it behind the knee and pull it up as high as you can. Or if that's even too difficult, you can use a small towel or a yoga strap and just give yourself a little assist, okay? Once you get that leg up and you're holding on to it, you're going to gently slide the opposite leg right off the edge of the bed. And you're going to let it just dangle there. There's no work down there. It's just a full-fledged dangle. You're going to leave it there about 2 minutes. And that's a little longer than you want it to be. So I would recommend setting a timer, either your Alexa or your Google or your cell phone, whatever you got, but put a timer on it so that you're getting the full 2 minutes. Once that 2 minutes is up, you're going to continue to hold on to that opposite knee and then bring that leg back up onto the bed. Relax your back, relax your body. Then you'll either turn head to toe or you'll switch sides of the bed. You're going to pull the opposite knee up and you'll drop the opposite leg off the edge of the bed. Do that another 2 minutes. 2 minutes on each side, and then you're actually done with that. It's only one set. 2 minutes on the right, 2 minutes on the left. An alternative way to do those hip flexors would be to roll over on your tummy. So we're going to do that. You're going to roll on your tummy and relax on the bed. Your head in a nice comfortable position. Your arms folded up next to you. This exercise is known in the yoga community as the mini cobra. In the PT community, it's considered part of the McKinsey exercises. But all you're going to do is you're going to come up and rest on your elbows like you're a little child watching TV. You're going to hold that position nice and relaxed for 15 to 30 seconds, whatever you can manage. And then you're going to go back down and relax again for a minute. And then you can repeat it. Go back up on your hands and your elbows, rest for 15 to 30 seconds, and then you can go back down. If this is very easy for you, you can start to push up a little bit further. But if that becomes painful, then go back down to the next level. This one you're going to repeat 5 to 10 times. It does get both hip flexors at the same time, but some people with low back pain can't go into an arch like this, in which case you go back to the first exercise that we just demonstrated. The other important muscle groups are going to be those of your lower extremities or of your legs. So what you want to do is you want to get those hamstrings nice and stretched. You're going to do that by, if your hamstrings are very, very tight, you're going to just simply grab behind the knee, get that leg nice and straight as you can. Bring those toes up. Hold it for 15 to 30 seconds. Then you can cheat again. And then get it right on back up there. Toes down. Hold 15 to 30 seconds. If you can do better than that, you can use a towel or a yoga strap. Again, you can attach it to your foot or swing it over the arch and just give yourself a yoga strap assist with that. 15 to 30 seconds, and then relax.